Hi there, welcome to Star Food. Today I'm excited to share how you can make this delicious freshly baked chocolate chip cookies right at home. So let's get started. So firstly, I will chop some semi-sweet chocolates, then transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Next, on a medium to low flame, I will melt some butter until it turns into golden brown color. This step adds a rich nutty flavor and will enhance the taste of the chocolate chip cookies. Then on a bowl, I will add half cup of brown sugar and half cup of regular sugar. Then I will add the melted golden brown butter onto them. I will add aroma by adding some coffee powder and some vanilla essence. Whisk all the ingredients together and add one whole egg. Then I will put some flour into the wet mixture, then add some pinch of salt and some baking powder and baking soda. Then using a spatula, I will incorporate all the dry ingredients with the wet mixture. Then I will add the semi-sweet chocolate into the mixture. Then I will incorporate the semi-sweet chocolate with the cookie dough, then clear wrap it and let it chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Next, I will prepare a baking tray by lining it up with parchment paper. Once that's ready, I will place scoops of chilled cookie dough onto the tray by spacing them out evenly. This dough is just the right amount to make 12 perfectly sized chocolate chip cookies. At a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 12 minutes, I'll bake the cookies. Now I will take them out of the oven, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And there you go, delightful, soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies are ready to take a bite and enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed seeing my today's video and see you next time.